This is the shocking truth about Toyota hybrids, and you should not buy a Toyota hybrid until you watch this video. I'm gonna share with you the shocking truth about the Toyota hybrid system, how to get the best fuel economy, how to maximize your battery life, and some tips and tricks that you're gonna want to know about Toyota's self-charging hybrid system. Alright, let's jump right in and explore this together. It's going to be fun. Let's get started. So what's the big deal about Toyota hybrids? Well, for over 20 years, they've been dominating the hybrid game and they've sold millions and millions of hybrids worldwide. But what they don't always tell you is that their new hybrids are a completely different game. Toyota isn't just offering hybrids anymore. The legendary Camry, America's favorite sedan, the Sienna, America's favorite minivan, and even their flagship Crown is electrified. This is the new standard, and it means if you want a new Toyota, you need to understand what makes their hybrid system the benchmark for the entire industry. Every hybrid has three key parts: a gas engine, an electric motor, and a battery. However, Toyota's genius lies in how they make these three components perform an intelligent dance. At low speeds, you're gliding on silent, electric power. Need to accelerate? The gasoline engine seamlessly joins in, giving you that instant surge of torque. That's why a Toyota hybrid feels so responsive and powerful compared to a traditional car. The system is always thinking, always blending power sources for the perfect mix of efficiency and performance. Now let's talk about a feature that feels like magic: regenerative braking. In simple terms, every time you slow down, you're actually recharging your battery. In a regular car, braking just creates wasted heat. But in a Toyota hybrid, that energy is captured and sent back to the battery. And here's the Toyota difference: they capture energy in two ways: when you're coasting, just lifting your foot off the gas, and when you're reactively braking. Most competitors only do one effectively. Toyota mastered both. This is how you get that incredible city MPG. You're constantly creating free fuel. Alright, now for the big reveal. Here are the two biggest mistakes new owners make, mistakes that can secretly shorten your hybrid's battery life. Mistake number 1. Leaving it parked for long periods, even in a garage, can cause the high-voltage battery to degrade. Leaving it untouched for weeks or even months can be a waste, right? A hybrid battery is like a muscle. It's super strong and needs to be used regularly to stay fit. Drive it at least once every couple of weeks to keep the system healthy. Mistake number 2. The silent killer for plug-in hybrid: charging it to 100% and then letting it sit for days. It's super tempting to top it off before a trip, but keeping a lithium-ion battery fully charged stresses it out big time. The golden rule: keep the battery between 20% and 80% for daily use and storage. If you need 100% for a long trip, time your charge to finish right before you leave. By understanding how it works and avoiding these common mistakes, you'll ensure your Toyota delivers that incredible performance and efficiency for years to come. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performing hybrid, Toyota is the brand to beat. With their self-charging technology, Toyota hybrids are changing the game and delivering unbeatable value. But remember, knowledge is power, and now you know how to treat your Toyota hybrid right. What Toyota model are you driving? Comment below, let me know your thoughts. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.